trying to power up your business online but wondering if your traditional internet lease line is good enough? Will it be fast? Will it be secure? Will it be efficient? Well, all businesses need robust, seamless and secure connectivity to communicate and transact over the internet. That's what TTBS Smart Internet Leased Line is all about. Our Smart Internet solution is an internet leased line bundled with cloud-based security and a DIY interface. It will help you get 1:1 symmetric and dedicated bandwidth, speeds up to 1 Gbps and more, has cloud-based security and greater control. Get ready to scale. All this with real-time protection from online threats.
Interesting. But can it ensure that my employees don't browse risky sites or content unknowingly?
Worry not. Our Smart Internet Leased Line provides security policy management to block or whitelist specific websites and content. Our user-friendly DIY portal gives you real-time network visibility while offering 24/7 monitoring and support.
Is this safe for a company with countless daily business transactions?
Of course it is. It helps give the manufacturing and retail, IT and ITES, BFSI and services sectors access to better, speedy and secure connectivity. With its support, healthcare and life sciences, education, logistics and transportation, media and entertainment and other sectors find it easier to handle data in online operations. Smart Internet Leased Line works across industries for safe, secure, fast and reliable managed connectivity.
Speaking of data, does it have a scalable bandwidth for data-heavy applications?
Oh yes, the Smart Internet Leased Line has a starting bandwidth of 10 Mbps, scalable to 1 Gbps and more.
With all these services, will my budget take a hit?
The service has zero upfront investment and cost benefits that helps reduce the OPEX. Let's just say, TTBS Smart Internet Leased Line is an easy-to-install solution that is safer, smarter and speedier and works across key industries with convenient bandwidth and needs zero upfront investment. Here's what some of our users have to say.
I'm going to take their word then and choose better managed connectivity with Smart Internet Leased Line services.
Good decision. Now you can really power up your business online. Partner with TTBS, India's leading smart business solutions provider. For more information, visit us or call our customer care.